hit it, but then nothing. Oh my god. Please tell me you see that frog down his neck. What's going on, fishing fam? Hope you guys are having a great day. I am feeling super blessed today out here at beautiful lake, and I got a little surprise for you guys today. We're gonna be throwing around the 2-piece PB rat right here, guys, and I want to give a huge shout out to John, my friend John, and George Pericano for hooking me up with this PB rat, and it's just been phenomenal, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. We got out there this morning, freaking slayed them, had a great morning of fishing. If you guys like these types of videos where we throw around rats, all kinds of top water, make sure you hit the like button, and also be subscribed to the channel for some more dope content. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. We caught a bunch. We caught a few on a frog, and then got a few on the rat, and some pretty good sized ones. So y'all stay tuned, stick around, let's get it. Look at this, guys. Bass are blowing up everywhere. My heart is racing. Had one hit me right there. Black popping frog, guys. Look at that. Look at that, and there's one just busted right there. Guy was pinned. There he is, nice one. Nice way to start the day off. Had one suck it under right there. Oh my lord. That was a good one. They keep sucking it under, but then there's like nothing there. See? They hit it, but then nothing. That was crazy. Did you see that? Hitting the frog right here, guys. You're straight up crushing the frog. I'm gonna throw the rat for a second right here and see if they'll hit it. They're just going off on bait right here. Hopefully you guys are able to see all of it. There he is on the rat. Oh, came off. Oh my god. He destroyed that rat. We just got a beast on the rat, guys. I mean, he smoked it. Oh, that's a pig. That's a pig. Look at that, guys. Victim of the rat. Look at that rat victim. Look at that, guys. Nice one on the rat. Look at that. Freaking pig. Go ahead and get this guy back. This guy's a straight launch. Probably close to a 4-pounder on the freaking PB rat. Missed it. That was a big one. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? How do I keep missing them? Hella blow ups. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you see that? Fucking right next to me, dude. Throw the rat again for a few more casts. Oh my god. When I was waking it. Dude. Jesus. Oh my god. Get in the boat. Oh my god. Another one on the PB rat, guys. When I was waking it under the surface, dude. Oh, guys. We just got another solid one on the PB rat, waking it under the surface that time. And he smashed it probably close to 3. Hey. Solid one on the PB rat, waking it. The frog I'm using this morning, guys, is this, oh, I think there's a tear. The frog I'm using this morning is this Spro popping frog. It's like a yellow and black frog. And I was getting a lot of hits on it, dude, but my hook sets are off this morning. There it is. Oh, damn. That was a good one. God damn it. That last one just barely came up and kissed it. That's why I missed him. Just barely came up and slurped it. He was only hooked by the back hook. Oh yeah, swimming it. Swimming it. Trying to throw it. Swimming it. A freaking crankbait, dude. The rat is out fishing the frog right now, guys. Look at that. It's the second one I've got swimming it. Little one though, but I'll take them. It's number 5. A bite's a bite, dude. I'll freaking take it. There it is, off the rock wall. Knew it. I knew it. Knew there'd be one on that roll wall, dude. I paddled over here just because I knew there would be one right there. Just got another one on the rack, guys. Just trying to come off. Got one hook in him. Oh yeah. Got him right off the rock wall. I keep getting him in the bottom lip for some reason. Look at that, guys. Solid one. Solid 2.5 or whatever. He fought hard. He was bending my swim bait rod. Ran it parallel to that rock wall. I paddled from over there and I had a feeling there's still some shade right here. I had a feeling, dude, I thought it was gonna be a mega if I got one on the wall though. Not gonna lie. Oh my God. Idiot move. Idiot move. Set the hook too early. That was a big one too. Idiot move. Biggin on the rat. Biggin on the rat. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's a tank. Look at that, guys. PB rat to the dome. To the dome piece. Go ahead, get her on the scale. .7. And go ahead and get this girl back. PB rat slaying buckets. You're wondering what I'm throwing this rat on. I'm using a Lew's Super Duty 300. This is a 6:5 to 1 gear ratio, so I'm able to just barely turn that rod handle, creep that rat on top, and just work it super slow. And then I'm throwing it on 20-pound Iser line, mono, with this is a Dobbins Fury series rod. This is a 7.9 medium heavy fast action, throws 1 to 5 ounces. Just got it, so pretty sick. It's handled everything very well. It's a little iffy on the mono throwing the rat because I like to throw braid on topwater, but it's worked out. And I put the mono on here because I wanted to still be able to throw, you know, my glide baits and stuff like that on it without having to change up the spool. Oh, all right, we're going up shallow. Oh my God, did you see the size of that? Oh my God, did you see the size of that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Did you see him fly across the water for that thing? Oh my God, that was insane. My God. I swear one bigger missed it. I am not even joking. That almost made me start shaking, dude. Oh. Oh. Guys, I'm basically shaking right now. The way this frog hit it, dude. He came so far out of the water, and I think he either came back for it or this one, the smaller one, came back for it. solid. That one might go 4. That one might go 4, guys. Oh my God. Just an epic day out here. Look at that beast. My God. No, you don't, buddy. You guys see the weight on that one? Yeah. We are low-key putting on a clinic out here, guys. There we go. Nice little bass on the frog. Can't beat it. Cannot beat it. You see him bust that frog. Guys, we are putting on a clinic out here. This is a nice one too. Solid one. Please tell me you see that frog down his neck. Look at that. Probably close to 4. Some of those jumps he did were sick. Look at that, guys. We can throw him on the scale just to see. Oh yeah, 4 or 5. Not quite 20. Not quite 20, but she's a beast. Beast nonetheless. Didn't make the cut, girl.
Oh shit!
Dude, he's behind the boat. Dude, what the fuck?
My line's out there, G. Don't. It's a nice one, G. That's one. Live well worthy. Live well worthy, G.
Bro, he fucking went under the boat.
Got it. Damn, bro.
Big. Big. Show him motor, show him motor.
That's behind you. That's you're standing on the net. Okay, there you go.
Big. Might be a cat. It's pulling drag, dude. Oh, big cat.
Take him here.
I got it.
You got it?
All right, guys, I appreciate you for watching. We freaking killed it today out here on the PB rack, guys. Killed it on the frog, slayed him, and it was a great day out here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.